Hi Delta family, we are at Traders Mela and here we have found the sir and he has a lot of insight to give up to you. So let's start. So can you please start with your introduction?
Yeah, I am Vignesh Sukumar from Tamil Nadu. So I have a past 5 years experience over in this field, and I have finished my course in London in the cryptos as well as US markets and as well as Indian over there.
So as you have said that you have almost 5 years of experience and you definitely curated some of the strategies that are right now working
Yeah,
for you. So can you please explain about some of the strategies that you have worked upon?
actually, I used to work only one strategy. I make that is as a life, and
One strategy and that
yeah,
is your life.
yeah, and live for it, die for it. That's it.
Wow.
No, don't work day and night looking other strategy. Live in concentrate with one
With
strategy.
one strategy.
Yeah, and make an adjustment kind of thing. I used to do breakout trades, simple and clear breakout trades.
So that means you are a price action trader.
Yeah,
Nothing, no indicator you use. There's a price action and charts that you study.
yes, you're right.
And as a future and options trader, what made you decide let's start trading derivatives in future and options in cryptos? What are the opportunities that found that you felt that this wasn't there, but
Okay,
I'm getting it here?
okay. The first one is the complaints part, and the second one is the cost part, and third one is the opportunities. When you take a complaints part, Indian governments have made lot of complaints with the derivatives over India. The margin was little bit. The capital utilization, that is the one, and the third point, the 24/7. That is
Yes.
a key area I have been looking over in the crypto exchange.
So you are saying that you have get limited time in Indian exchanges, whereas here you get 24/7,
Yeah,
24 by 7 markets, and
yeah.
you can able to study, analyze more, and get better or more opportunities here.
Yes, you are right. For example, this is 24/7 market. If you take 5 minutes chart, you will getting a lot of opportunities over there.
Yes.
But in India, 8 hours 8 hours timing. So Indian market. So we want to wait for a timing. One opportunity per day is it's like a heaven over
It's
there.
a oh
Yeah.
yeah, obviously.
So
And
if it
here
is sideways, there will be
there's
no
no
opportunity.
opportunity.
So the fund will be sitting in the idle in the trading. We cannot utilize it.
Little personal, as you
Okay.
have like worked upon your strategy for past 5 years, like what are the return on the basis of return on investment changes or that you feel here and Indian markets, like you are being profitable? So if you can tell that what are the
I have gained a 23% return on equity over in Delta Exchange within a month. But when in the Indian market, the same quantity I take per month itself 3 to 4% because of the margin utilization over there and here, it's huge. So there is a lot of opportunities over here when compared with Indian.
So if you're really, really confident about it, like the gist of the thing is if you're really confident about the strategy and you think this thing will gonna work, this setup will gonna work, you can bet more on it.
Yeah.
What we can say, not exactly bet, but the probability of winning the trade becomes higher.
Yeah, not only the probability, you will be getting confident to enter the trade.
Yes.
There will be a lot of opportunity. You will get a trade opportunity. You will be confident with your strategy. You will infuse the capital that make you more confident in the
In
trades.
the trade.
So that is a key area over here.
And also a lot of trader, like a lot of new trader will be watching us and they'll be like, the question that comes in their mind, like, when did you decided now this is my, by the way sir is a full-time trader and this is his business, so when it made you decide now this is, I'm gonna switch everything to the trading and this is my bread and butter and now I'm profitable, I can work like peacefully, I gain that freedom to work peacefully in trading?
2 years back.
2 years back, and you have
Yeah,
been working for past 5 years.
yeah.
After 3 years, you understood. Like, I understood the
This
math.
is
Now
this
this
is
is this is it
this
for
is a
me.
ball game for me. So
Oh,
I have been shifted to the trading as a main core business.
yeah.
But at the start, in every business there will be a struggle. So you want to understand the business. You should give the time to understand the business. It will take hardly, my understanding, 5 to 6 years.
To get profitable and be like get that freedom in the market.
Freedom. If you start a business also, you're infusing the capital. You're
Right.
infusing the opex. When compare with as a
And then there will be
yeah,
margin, profit margin, there'll
yeah,
be expense, there'll be
yeah,
operational cost in business.
yeah.
But here, business is
There
all
is no
together,
only
yes.
the for learning you want to pay the losses.
Yes.
That losses you're saying that if you're afraid of that losses, this is not your bread and butter. You want to
Yes.
understand the losses, risk, and the capital. So this is a ball game over here.
After third year, you decided to get all into trading. So, like this past 2 years,
Yeah.
what's your profitability ratio? If I
Okay.
talk about yearly, what's your
Okay.
profitability ratio and how things worked out for you?
In Indian market, I have made around a 45% return in the period of 9 to 10 months.
9 to 10 months.
Oh, because the complaints part have been taken 1 year of gap. So and then after that we have started running the legal formalities when compared with India. So it is 45% return. But when I started with the Delta, I earned in the month 22% return. There is opportunities over there.
So in a year you have earned a return of 45%, and
Yeah,
here in 2 months you have earned 22%. There's a
yeah.
huge difference. Also coming to that, what made you, because you definitely switched here. There are some other barriers that found somewhere. So what made you decide that this is definitely? I believe that you must have seen the future in the technology, or you must have seen the potential in the asset. So what made you decide now this is, I should try and I should work on it?
24/7 market one.
It's the market timing that you
Yeah,
are saying.
that is what I see the opportunities over here in
Because
this.
as a businessman, what do you want? You want your task, or you want your operations to be done every day, as a
Yeah,
business person. So this is what lucrates you to
yeah. If you start a intraday business, I want to run a business daily.
daily,
Yeah,
obviously,
daily.
definitely.
You don't need to worry about other part.
So I guess the timing constraint and your leverage constraint and other aspects, Delta Exchange is taking care of that,
Yeah,
and you're already working here. So I believe you keep on working with us
yeah.
and have such a great experience, and so that we can share these sort of testimonials with the audience, and they can lucrate the opportunity as well.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for sharing
Yeah,
your view.
thank you.
It's nice. Hi sir. So आप क्रिप्टो डेरिवेटिव्स में कब से काम कर रहे हैं, और आपने कैसे यहाँ पे काम करना शुरू किया है? What made you decide to work here?
Okay, cryptocurrency. See, now the current market trends are going with the technology, and crypto is one of the assets. If you take that as a trade, I take that as an asset. So somebody should park this one into asset as well, considering as an asset. Into trader community, you take as a trading or you take as a investing.
Right.
So that's make me 1 point for the crypto. Yeah. And one more point which comes why I shifted to the Delta, because Delta comes under the government of India's regulations, and they are having a good services and technology platform. I really like it. That's what I got into it.
वेरी नाइस. सो अभी आप अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं ऑप्शंस में. सो आपने ऑप्शंस डेरिवेटिव से क्यों चूज़ किया कि यहाँ पे मैं प्ले अराउंड करता हूँ?
See, if you see in the markets, in crypto, you will not find anywhere the options are available in the market, and that also in the regulations. So that makes me 1 point that okay, if I have to build as assets and do on the option side, which saves my money, so I shifted. That was the point where because it is a hedge condition. I want to do always hedge and save my capital.
आपका डेरिवेटिव्स में कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस है?
I am having 6 years of experience in derivatives.
और अभी क्रिप्टो डेरिवेटिव में कब से कर रहे हो आप?
Crypto 6 to 7 months.
6 to 7. तो आपका लॉन्गर रन में है कि डाउन द लेन आई वांट टू मेक अ अच्छा स्ट्रैटेजी जो मेरा लॉन्ग रन में वर्कआउट करे, और डेरिवेटिव्स में भी यहाँ एक क्रिप्टो को मैं एक एसेट अपने पोर्टफोलियो में बना के रखूँ?
Definitely, I'm planning for the same, because it will have a edge over the technology.
Right.
And once the market is going in that direction, and might be there will be a regulations going forward by all countries. So which I will have a part as a participant to get the benefit out of it.